Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install TeamViewer on your Windows 10 PC. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser here, and here just type TeamViewer and search for it, and you can see their official website TeamViewer. Just click that first link and this will bring you to this new page, and on the right side you can see free download. Just click the free download option, and here you can see three different types of plan for your TeamViewer. One is free and then other two is premium, but we're going to download it for free. Just click the free download now, and here you can see different types of operating system that is available for TeamViewer. As we are downloading for Windows, just click the Windows option here and scroll down, and here you can see TeamViewer for full client. There are two options, 64-bit and 32-bit, depending on your system. If you don't know what system are you currently running, just go to your this PC option, right click it here and go to properties, and here you can see system type 64-bit operating system. My computer is using 64-bit operating system, so I'm going to download this one, 64-bit. Just click it, and after that it will automatically start to download. As I previously downloaded this option, I don't need to download it again. I'm going to just go to the folder, and to install it, all I have to do is simply double click it here, select run and wait for it to launch, and select accept and next and select yes. And as you can see, the installation process is started, so you have to wait a couple of minutes depending on your system, so wait for it. As you can see, my installation is completed. Just click I accept and click continue here, and my TeamViewer is running. You don't have to do anything, just cross it and go. As you can see, the installation process is completed and successful. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will see you guys in the next one.